So how does the growth phase work? Well, now that you've completed the startup phase of your business, it's time to move into the growth phase. This is where we grow our revenues and, more importantly, our profits by carefully navigating the supply versus demand roller coaster. The goal of this phase is to develop consistent positive cash flow and then invest some of that into systems for efficiency and productivity. So, creating demand. Often the biggest challenge as you enter the growth phase is the delicate balance between supply and demand. Now that we have a solid foundation to build on, we can begin creating demand for our products and our services by intentionally and consistently marketing our business, using multiple channels to generate new clients, as well as providing great customer service, which brings clients back, usually more profitably. Existing clients are usually more profitable. This is where now supply comes into play, and we need to make sure you don't overmarket your ability to deliver consistently. So, creating supply. As we generate positive cash flow, we will always earmark a portion of it to increase our supply, which is productivity and efficiency to keep up with our demand, and then some to invest in additional team and training. The other key in the growth phase is completing all 9 steps that are required to fully systemize your business. Systemizing your business requires more than just documenting processes and procedures. It's really all about creating a culture and a set of disciplines that will result in the systems actually being used for maximum efficiency and profitability. So, management systems. The final stage of growth is installing formal management systems into the business to ensure that the work is properly planned and executed with the expected results, i.e. profit, achieved consistently. This is where a lot of businesses plateau or even fall back as the size of the company outgrows the owner's ability to manage the team by sheer force of will. There are far too many balls in the air to juggle, and the failure to install good management practices is the number one reason businesses stop growing and become less profitable over time. So at the end of the growth phase, we're completing the systemization of our operations so we can move from just adding revenue to now multiplying profits in the scale phase. If you'd like to know how the ActionCOACH Business Operating System, or ABOS, can help you successfully complete the growth phase of your business, click on the link in the description to schedule a quick 15-20 minute chat with me to discuss if ABOS is the right solution for you and your business and your growth plans.